I am directed to refer to this department's circular letter dated the 19th April 1960 on the above subject noted, and to say that a question has arisen as to the extent of relaxation of educational qualifications permissible in the case of commissioned officers. Full stop. According to Section 3 of Ordinance 2 of 1969, FA and FSC, on successful completion of appropriate course in the academy, a gentleman cadet who enters the academy after doing his FA or FSC is granted a degree, and a cadet who enters the academy after passing the matriculation examination is given a certificate by the Pakistan Military Academy. Full recognition of these educational qualification should be given while considering the army officers for employment to class 1 civil posts. Full stop. It has further been decided that in the case of those commissioned officers who have been granted intermediate certificate by the Pakistan Military Academy, educational qualifications may be relaxed for their recruitment up to class 2 civil posts, but such relaxation will not apply in the case of class 1 posts. Full stop. In the case of commissioned officers who have retired and have not passed out from the Pakistan Military Academy, it has been decided that if a cadet entered the pre-independence academy after passing the intermediate, he may complete for service for which minimum educational qualification is BA. Full stop. The other commissioned officers who entered an academy after passing out matriculating should only be considered eligible for class 2 posts. Full stop. I am to request that these instructions may be followed in further for the purpose of recruitment of commissioned officers in civil posts. Full stop. I am directed to refer to SNGAD's letter dated the 19th April 1960 on the subject noted above, and to say that the question of recognizing the military certificates for the purpose of recruitment in civil posts has been examined in consultation with the Ministry of Defence, Government of Pakistan. First up, it has been decided to recognize the following certificates awarded by the military authorities as equivalent to the educational qualifications indicated against age. First up.